in my Google Sheet, you can see I have only a single lead detail. In my HubSpot CRM, I have a total of 3 contacts. And what I am just going to show you today is a magic. So let's say someone sees my ad on their Facebook, they're interested and they fill in this lead form. So let me just fill in all the details and click on this continue button. And as you can see, we have successfully submitted this lead form. So after submitting this lead form, let me just open my Google Sheets, and you're going to see within seconds and in real time, the details are added right over here. Be it the name of the lead, the email, the phone number, the property type, or the rest of the details, all are added right over here. So let me just open my HubSpot CRM, and I'm just going to refresh this contact list, and you're going to see, yes, a new contact is also created and added right over here with the same details. So this is no magic. This is the automation which I have already created for my own Meta lead ads. And in this video, I'll show you how you can also build this. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Click on this sign up for free button to get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect for free, and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code, which is RITYT. It is going to get you the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But first, try Pabbly Connect. Then if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Now just open your workflow builder to create this automation. Click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as Facebook lead ads. For the event, select it as new lead instant, and click on this connect. Now click on this add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. Make sure that your Facebook account is already logged in before starting with the automation. Once the account is logged in, you're going to get the option to click on this continue. So click on this continue, and your Facebook lead ads account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you have to choose your page name and the form for which you want to create this automation. I have chose both the details. If you want to create this automation for all the forms, you can select all Legion forms too. Now select the response format as simple and click on this save and send test request button, and it is saying waiting for webhook response. In order to capture this webhook response, just open your lead ads testing tool. How can you open your lead ads testing tool? For that, open a new tab and search for Meta for developers, and then open the landing page of Meta for developers. From here, you have to go on resources, tools, and then you can open your lead ads testing tool. I've already opened my tool. Now you just have to choose the page. You have to choose the product as lead retrieval and the same form which you selected in workflow. Then click on this preview form. Once you do this, it is going to ask you for all the details one by one. Simply select the details right over here. Once you select all the details, you are good to go. Let me just move on further, and then simply enter the email to right over here as new. For the full name, I'm going to keep it as new user. For the phone number, I'm just going to enter it as this. Now before submitting this form, I am just going to switch off my previous workflow so that the details don't get added instantly. Okay, now let me just click on this continue and then submit. You can see that we have successfully submitted this form. So let me just open my new workflow, which was blank, and over here it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So just give it 2 to 5 seconds, and it is going to capture lead details right over here instantly as soon as you submit the test details. The lead details are captured. So let me just add these leads details into my Google Sheets first. Okay, so to do that, just click on this add new action step, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now click on this add a new connection, sign in with Google. Simply select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. Click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions, and you're good to go. Now Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. You just have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet right over here in which you want to add the lead details. Now one by one, you just have to enter all of these details, but you don't have to enter it manually, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, we are going to map all the details right over here. And in order to map these details, put a slash, search for the details, and map it like this, and then click on this save and send test request. Now it is saying the details are added into my Google Sheets. So let me just check my Google Sheets, and the details are added right over here. Now we're good to go. Let me just add the details in my CRM too. For that, click on this add new action step. I'm just going to use the CRM as HubSpot. So let me just search for it, select HubSpot. For the event, select it as create contact, click on this connect, add a new connection, and then connect with HubSpot CRM. Make sure that your CRM, your sheets, everything is logged in before starting with the automation. Then choose your account, and once you choose your account, your HubSpot HubSpot will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Just give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for. Your data is 100% safe with us. No need to worry. It is going to ask you for many details, but you only have to fill in the details which you have of your lead right over here. One by one, just simply map all the details and you are good to go. I'm just going to map all the details which I have of my lead. It is going to ask for many details. Just skip the details which you don't wish to fill in and then move on further. And now you can see I've successfully filled in all the details, and then I'm just going to move on further and fill in this phone number too, and then I am good to go. And then let's click on the save and send test request at the end. So as you can see, I've successfully filled in the details and clicked on the save and send test request button. You can see we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact. So let me just open my HubSpot CRM, refresh this, and you're going to see yes, a new contact is created in my HubSpot CRM. With this, we have successfully learned how to create meta lead ads automation in just 5 minutes, nurture all the leads. And like I showed in the starting of this video, whenever we're going to receive a new lead, all of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. Go and try this amazing automation yourself. We are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section below. The workflow URL is attached in the description box below. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. For more automation tips like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget the amazing discount coupon code RITYT.